Emma Peterson.
Can upgrade bot beat level 20?
We shall see. It depends on which upgrades it picks.
Very exciting.
This is the bronze tier.
Analysis bot. What are the tiers on endless mode?
Bronze, silver, gold, diamond, titanium, uranium, insanium.
Victory.
The human made that look easy.
The bronze tier is not that hard.
What are these robots doing on the pillars?
Get down from there.
That robots.
Clone created.
I love watching upgrade bot work.
Me too.
Victory.
The human won.
Nice one. Time for a nice vacation.
He.
This island is a nice place to die.
Quite nice. Is that the option you would have chosen? Analysis bot.
At this stage, yes.
Victory.
Victory.
Very nice.
What is next?
Swords clash on a narrow bridge.
Excellent.
Clone created.
Excellent choice.
Upgrade bot knows what it's doing.
Silver.
Silver.
I said that already.
I want to say it.
Victory!
The human is not dead yet.
Perhaps it will escape the silver tier.
I love armor on red robots. It really brings out the glow in their eyes. Beautiful.
Upgrade bot! Upgrade bot! The best bot is upgrade bot! A futile arrow makes its way onto our force field. A symbol of the human's pointless struggle. Its inevitable death at the hands of overwhelming force.
Anytime now.
Victory!
Hooray.
The further the human gets, the more spectacular its death.
Yes, let's keep watching. The Mark II hammer bot is so cool.
There are also some other robots.
The coolest. Interesting.
There is a strategy at work here.
Clone activated. Victory!
Nice.
Good human.
Death Q 2.1 returns.
Such death.
Such cube.
Clone created.
Hooray for upgrade bot.
You can do it.
Gold.
The robots are not made of gold.
It is a rubbish metal.
Clone activated. Victory!
Oh my.
That was quite the battle.
Very nice. And now, Archer is behind spikes.
And Spidertron 5000. What a fun way for the human to die.
Is that the option you would have chosen? Analysis bot.
At this stage, yes.
So much death and destruction.
A beautiful display. I hope you like feet, human.
What?
Feet in your face.
Oh my. I love watching Upgrade Bot work.
Me too.
Victory!
Impressive.
Go human. My sensors are detecting an angular shape.
Could it be?
Death Cube 3.0.
Excellent choice.
Upgrade Bot knows what it's doing.
Clone activated. Defeat.
Defeated.
Well, it did win a lot of levels to get here.
Good point.